To quote an Ayurvedic proverb, when diet is wrong, medicine is of no use. When diet is correct, medicine is of no need. I chose the topic of healthy eating for my part of the group presentation, and I'll be telling you why healthy eating is an important part of living a healthy life. Healthy eating is a big factor in preventing illnesses and diseases. Having a balanced diet can provide the vitamins and minerals your body needs to heal itself. Diabetes can be managed and the risk of cancer can be reduced. Heart disease and strokes can also be prevented, all because of eating healthy. People with diabetes should eat less of foods with added sugar and salt. Preventing obesity and having a diet that includes many fruits and vegetables can reduce the risk of cancer. Vitamin E can prevent blood clots and furthermore preventing heart attacks and strokes. Now that you know a little more about healthy eating, I want to cover more about why it's significant. Healthy eating is important to us because it may help some mental illnesses such as depression. According to Medical News Today, a diet with a high glycemic load may increase symptoms of depression and fatigue. Refined carbohydrates are a huge factor in high glycemic diets. Some examples of refined carbohydrates are sweets and breads. Your digestive system also controls your emotions because serotonin is produced in your gastrointestinal tract. A diet that includes more fruits and vegetables can improve depression and better one's mood. So when trying to eat healthier, pay attention to how certain foods make you feel after eating them. Food is a very important factor to our health. Eating healthy can prevent sicknesses and may improve mental health. Thank you for listening to my group's presentations about living a healthy life.